guys, welcome to the DMX Show. I'm your host Shane. Today I'm going to show you guys AOKP Milestone 6.1 by Jermaine D. Logan. This thing is off the chain. It's very fast. It's still on Ice Cream Sandwich, but I know that AOKP is working on an official build of Jelly Bean as we speak. So that should be available for the Transformer Prime pretty soon. First off, let me get rid of this ugly theme, which is one of the options in AOKP Milestone 6.1. You can change themes on the fly, so we'll go ahead and put it back to the original system theme. And that was very quick and easy. While we're here, we can run over some of the other ROM control options. So we can change the UI, we can change the navigation bar, lock screen options. Most of you guys have seen AOKP by now, so I'm not going to spend a ton of time in ROM control. You can add power menu options, weather. There's some toggle settings. So like your toggles here, there's some toggle settings. You can change your clock. You can change your battery percentage. You can change your signal. And there's some performance settings here as well. It comes overclocked at 1600 megahertz. So we go to maximum CPU. It's overclocked at 1600 megahertz. And there's also some governors here as well. Plenty of governors to choose from. And then there's also some startup tweaks. So one of the cool things about this 6.1 feature is the rotation, the screen rotation. So if we open up the browser, you'll see what I'm talking about. There's pretty much zero time on the screen rotation and no black screen whatsoever. So it takes away all lag and it just makes it look very, very fluid, very Jelly Bean-esque. Flies through the screens. This thing just runs incredibly fast. If we go here, you can see just how fast it runs here. And another cool thing is, my favorite part about this ROM, the reason that I left AOKP in the beginning is because when I docked the Transformer Prime and I closed it like a laptop, the light stayed on and it killed my battery. What Would Josh Do pointed out to me the other day. We were in a Google Plus Hangout and he pointed out to me that the newest version by JD Logan, it fixed that issue. So if we plug it into the dock and we close this, I don't know if you guys can see, but the light is turned off. So I don't have to press the power button to turn that light off. And like I said, that was really annoying the crud out of me because I was killing my battery way faster than I should have to. And then of course when you open it up, everything is good and it's turned back on. So if we go to some of the buttons here, they're all working properly. So if we go into the App Store and then we press the back button, that's going to bring us back home. That's working great. The Bluetooth and wireless options buttons, they should be working here. The screen brightness works. So if we hit the screen brightness, you see how that works, which is pretty cool. And if we want to bring the screen brightness up, that works as well. Everything up here is working perfectly. Like I said, the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth, it brought up my Wi-Fi and my Bluetooth. When I hit those buttons, if we hit the Internet Explorer looking button, it brings up the browser. And then of course our media buttons, everything is functioning here. My volume buttons are functioning. And then my lock button, that is functioning as well. So everything seems to be working perfectly with this. No hiccups, everything is just doing great. If we hit the home button, that's going to bring us home. So everything on the keyboard is functioning fantastically. If I do unplug my keyboard, you'll see that the icon disappears. And if I plug it back in, the keyboard icon down here should pop right back up, which it did. I've got 96% battery on my keyboard. So that is just awesome. This thing is working really incredibly well. And like I said, there's no major bugs or anything. No bugs at all that I can find. So we'll go ahead and jump into the install guide real quick. So you want to download the AOKP ROM file plus the G apps from the link in the description. When you've got those on your download, in your download folder on your SD card, just hit the volume down button plus the power button. Of course, you will need to be rooted and have a recovery installed. When this screen pops up and you see the words there, you're going to press volume up and that's going to boot you into recovery. So now that we're in TeamWin Recovery Project, a few things that I didn't show you, the wallpapers. There's several new wallpapers, so you guys probably want to check those out as well. If we go to wipe and we're looking for system, wipe the system, then you're going to wipe cache, swipe to wipe, and wipe Dalvik cache, swipe to wipe. and then you're just going to go back and install, and you'll find your SD card. You're looking for AOKP Milestone 6.1, select that, swipe to flash. That's going to take about 5 minutes. When you're finished there, you want to download the latest version of GApps, the 429.12. Those are all at the description link, so you'll swipe to flash that. When everything's finished, it will have taken maybe 5 or 6 minutes max. Then you're just going to click the reboot button and reboot the system. And we'll leave this video with the AOKP 6.1 boot animation. I think it's been refreshed from an earlier version. I know it was different before. Looks pretty cool in my opinion. But guys, you can find me at DroidModderX for the latest in Android and tech news. Follow me on Twitter at DroidModderX. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. We'll continue to cover the Transformer Prime as well as Nexus 7 and the Galaxy S3 and other devices. Click the like button if you like this video and leave your comments below. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.